Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to Tsaritsyno Park and we are right now in the metro already, so come with us. Welcome back guys. So we arrived to Tsaritsyno Park and as you can see it's quite cold, and please watch this amazing tree with my dear wifey. Anna, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
We just adore this nice tree because it's really huge, really nice oak. Guys, we are right now in Royal Palace of the Tsars, which lived here in Moscow. This is why it's called Tsaritsyno Park. As you can see, it's really majestic. So let's go onwards. So this is another side of the palace of the Tsars here in Moscow. As you can see, a really nice architecture. And this is huge fountain here next to the royal palace. It's majestic with everything else. A really nice and huge park. Amazing. With of course very loud music, because otherwise it should not be like proper. A lot of people today because it's Saturday,